First of all, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys for your support and your love always. Dika is a film for all of you. We've made it from our heart. It's got all my intensity and her beauty. Hopefully, that'll be a really kick-ass combination. And thank you to the media for being here. Thank you guys. I know it's very hot outside. Thank you for waiting out here for us. We'll move into a slightly more comfortable space upstairs and share actually what we're here for. The trailer of our film Deva that's out on the 31st of January. We're all very, very, very excited and I can't wait to be with the director of the film, Roshan Andrews, and the producer of the film, Sid Roy, and of course Z and the entire team of Z that is here to support us today. This is a labor of love, and now I'll pass the mic to the lady in red, looking stunning, Pooja Hegde.
I think this is the best crowd ever. Like, I mean, this energy in the morning is just making me feel really good. I'm very excited for you guys to see the trailer because I think it's like the perfect thriller and you guys are really gonna like it. And at the same time, like Shahid said, I'd like to say a counter to that. I think it has all the strength of Diya and it also has the handsomeness of Shahid. So excited for you guys to see the film and excited for the trailer. I hope you guys like it.
Thank you so much. Yeah, she said it, the best crowd ever. You guys have to make some more noise. That's how we do it. So we'll quickly move upstairs. Thank you so much, Shahid. Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you upstairs, right? DJ Wale Babu, can we have some more of Bhasad Macha, please? That's how we do it.
अंदर चले आओ प्लीज। गाइस अंदर चलो ना यार, अंदर चलो, अंदर हो गया, चलो 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 गाइस अंदर
All eyes on the big screen, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we do it. Welcome, sir. Sir, एक चीज तो है, of course, whatever we've seen on the big screen from Roy Kapoor films, it has always been different, बहुत हटके होता है. This time ये एकदम mass मसाला कुछ लाएं, शाहिद कपूर like never before. आपकी personality के साथ सर नहीं जाता है. Like Deva is like completely opposite to yours is what I feel. Talk to us about it.
I'm glad you feel that way, which means I'm a good actor myself. But I think
And the most gorgeous Pooja Hegde. Welcome, Pooja. Thank you so much for being here. All right. तुमने बाकियों को माइक दिया था क्या आके? Chance पे नहीं. Pooja, thank you so much for being here. And whatever we've seen.
My film, so. Yeah.
Of course.
Thank
Give it up
you
for
for being here, though.
Of course. You know, thank you, Rama.
Sorry, I'm in Diya character.
I know.
So.
I know. Talking about that,
Yeah.
you're playing a journalist, right?
Yeah.
तो अभी यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बोल रहे थे journalist बहुत भसड़ मचाते हैं. What do you have to say on that?
I have to say that I have really explored this newfound respect for journalists because what you guys do is really hard, and especially investigative journalism. I think you need a lot of guts, you need a lot of courage to do the job that you guys are doing. So yeah, I think Diya is the perfect takkar to Dev's character. You guys have seen alpha male many times, but I think it's time to now see the alpha female. Because she's not afraid to speak her mind, she's not afraid to say what she's feeling. The article that, he's being questioned about, which is the line which he's saying that police ya mafia is written by Diya because she's the journalist investigating this. So I feel like she's not afraid to say what she wants, which is the girl of today. She's bold, and I think in the trailer you're seeing the softer side of her, which is also part of Diya. So I'm excited for you guys to explore this character.
The softer side is so kadak. तो बाद में तो क्या होने वाला है? We'll get to know when the movie releases. So that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I know तुम लोग करने नहीं दोगे मेरे को intro ये वाला, लेकिन मैं करूँगा. All right, it's an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to now invite on stage this Bollywood superstar who's mesmerized the audiences for the last 2 decades. एक performance, फिर चाहे charming hero वाली हो, romantic hero वाली हो, intensity या dramatic वाली हो, this man has killed it every single time. And इसीलिए सिर्फ हमारे देश का नहीं, हर किसी का सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट सुपरस्टार ही is. Give it up for Shahid Kapoor. Shahid Kapoor. आला रे आला, देवा आला. And क्या energy लेके आया है. शायद it's a full house. It's like already सब कुछ houseful हो चुका है. And they all are here to meet you, and of course the entire team. क्या बोलेंगे after we've seen the trailer?
Well, this is 3 years. 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film, to give you an experience that will stay with you, hopefully. This is a thriller. We can't talk so much about the film because it will reveal the plot of our film. I hope everybody will be respectful of that when you ask your questions and when you see the film. It's out very soon, exactly 2 weeks from now, 31st of Jan. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I'm capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफर किया और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. I want to thank everybody who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all. और इस फिल्म में मैंने जो भी किया है, that is only because of Roshan. So, rest is up to you.
Just one last thing. We do a quick picture and then of course we'll take the questions. लेकिन उससे पहले, talk to us about that intensity, because anyone and everyone who's seen the teaser, या फिर चाहे वो गाना भी, usually we see a song and we know you're a brilliant dancer. लेकिन how do you get that intensity? Talk to us about that. क्या preparation चल रही थी? What was going on यहाँ पे?
Actually, as an actor, आप हमेशा वेट करते हो कि आपको कुछ नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाने के लिए कैसे मौका मिलेगा. ऐसा आसान नहीं होता है. मैं तो जाके कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. जो फिल्म की कहानी है, जो कैरेक्टर है, जो वर्ल्ड है, उसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मैं वो ही कर सकता हूँ. और उससे ज़्यादा करूँगा तो ख़राब कर दूंगा. होपफुली उससे कम तो नहीं करूँगा. ऐसा नहीं है मेरा नेचर. लेकिन इस फिल्म ने मुझे फिर से बहुत वक्त बाद ऐसा मौका दिया कि एज एन एक्टर मैं अपने आप को पुश कर पाऊँ. लेकिन there is also a lot of presence and aura of this character. So there is also an overwhelming personality जो देवा की है, which gives him that charisma and that star quality. So it needed to be a combination of both those elements. And आप फिल्म देखो यार, मतलब बोलने का क्या फायदा है. हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया है. आप लोग देखो. Tell us what you feel. We've given it everything we have.
But I have to say he's done it outstandingly well. When I watched the trailer, I called him and I spoke to him and I was like, how have you done it? Like, I can literally count the veins on your forehead and your face. Like, how? And even the first half, when he's like giving his lines, I thought it was dubbed and he's like, no, that's on the scene. But it was so eerie and like I think you're definitely going to see a new Shahid, because I feel like you've seen him do the other characters that he's done in his other films, but this is so restrained and intense, and it's just amazing.
It's because Pooja, I am Mafia.
I have a lot of questions, but before that, we'll do a quick picture with this team, right? So we'll do that and then we'll take your questions. क्या बात है सर, यहाँ भी देवा आ गया। मुझे खुद यकीन नहीं सर, को लाइफ इज बुरा है। Lovely. Okay. So the first question is for Shahid, and I believe Aruna from Bollywood Society is going to ask that question. Ji Aruna.
This side. Shahid, this side. Aruna from Bollywood Society.
Hi, Aruna, how are you?
I am good. How are you? So Shahid, my question is for you. कि आपने कई एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ फिल्मों में काम किया है, डांस सीक्वेंसेस किया है, डांस म्यूजिक किया है, तो ऐसी कौन सी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस है जिसके साथ आपको बिल्कुल भी डिफिकल्टी महसूस नहीं हुआ इन टर्म्स ऑफ डांसिंग?
ये बैठी हैं मेरे साथ पूजा हेगड़े, इनके साथ बिल्कुल डिफिकल्टी नहीं हुई मुझे डांस करके, बहुत मजा आया। हमने कट के बाद ये वाला स्टेप ही किया। This is our पूजा। Yeah. So she loves dancing and so do I. So we had a lot of fun on the sets of Masar Macha.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Aruna. All right, for Pooja, we have Kunal Kothari from IWM Buzz.
Hello, hi, this is right here. Hi Pooja, first of all, congratulations to the entire team. The trailer looks fantastic. And Pooja, my question for you is, having played, as you mentioned, and we know that you're playing a journalist, in the film, and the kind of the vibe of the film is obviously intense, as you also rightly mentioned. My question is that when you play the character, and there were obviously intricacies that come with playing a journalist, what was the kind of brief given to you that it has to match the intensity, or yours is a more restrained form of making sure that you become an aid to Shahid's character, or it's more like I'll be the propeller of whatever happens in this character?
I mean, I've always been check. I've always been attracted to this investigative journalist, that kind of a character. But I think the brief, in films like Spotlight and these kind of films, when I watched them, I just thought I loved the intensity and I liked the urge to know and find out the truth. And sometimes, with people like that, they tend to be blinded by everything else except for finding this out. But I think the brief that Roshan sir and I, when we first met, we thought we'll meet for 5 minutes and then we went on talking about our love for films and David Fincher and all these kind of films. But I think the one brief Roshan sir gave me was I wanted to see Priya and I don't want to see Pooja. And that was something that I strived to achieve. I wanted her to be authentically herself. Be strong but not rude, and she's at the same time she's not afraid of speaking her mind. So when you watch the film, you will understand and you will kind of know what I'm talking about. But she's at the same time got a little softness. It's got, I don't know if that answers the question. So I think that's what I strive for, just being authentically herself. And I think she's pretty much the middle class girl of today, who's like, this is what we see in women today. And I think that's what I hope Roshan sir I've done justice to Pooja or Dia, and I have followed your brief.
Thank you. All right, for Siddharth sir, we have Sejal here. She has a question for him from Dainik Bhaskan. Sejal. Hi.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Sejal from Delhi Master. Yeah, my question is what inspired you to produce Deva, and how did casting process go?
Well, I think the story is what inspired me most. So from the time that I met Roshan, it's a subject that we've been discussing from the very first time that we met, and the story is incredible, and that inspired me. And then secondly, watching his filmography, which is so incredible. He's such an iconic filmmaker from Malayalam cinema. The films that he's made. So the confidence that he would, that one is the story, and two is the ability of a director to deliver on that story. His filmography inspired that confidence completely, and so that's how the process began.
And then when we, went to Shahid and he felt exactly the same way, that's how the whole project came together. So, but it started with the story.
All right, for Roshan sir, Jia from Hangama. Hi Jia. Never mind.
No, I don't. Hi, Roshan sir.
Hi.
First of all, good afternoon. My question for you is, since the process of filming Deva was for 3 years, in the last 3 years there are a lot of thriller and action films that are coming from both sides, north and south. Some have performed exceptionally well, but some did not. So when you were making the film, did that that environment was affecting you while you were making, or was any decision was taken while filming on that fact?
I always believe in myself. I believe the instinct of mine. So action film, whether the other films run or not run, that's not bother. For me, Deva, the actions in this film, all the action I wrote myself. So the actions should be the part of the screenplay. It's not for the sake of the action. We've not added any action sequence. So all the action sequence is a part of the screenplay story structure. So I don't worry about other films run or not that. For me, Deva is important. If you people are enjoying it, I'm quite happy. That's it.
All right, the next one is for Mr. Umesh Bansal, Narendra Bhutani from Punjab Kesari, sir.
My question is to Shahid. Can I take my question, Shahid?
On your left.
On your right. शायद हमने आपकी हैदर देखी और आज ये ट्रेलर देखा, दोनों में बहुत मजा आया। कुछ आप बता सकते हैं दोनों रोल्स के बारे में, कुछ क्या डिफरेंट, हाउ डिफरेंट इट इज?
सर हेयर कट सेम है, बाकी कुछ भी सेम नहीं है सर, बट शायद उसकी वजह से आपको थोड़ी सी याद आई। बट इसमें एक्चुअली 2 लुक्स हैं देवा की, जो एक थोड़ी सी बहुत सटली रोशन सर ने एडिट में डाली है, क्योंकि जब वो यूनिफॉर्म में आता है तो ही हैज टू बी क्लीन शेव्ड, और दूसरी लुक है जो रगेड रफ, किसी की नहीं सुनता टाइप, सनकी टाइप, जो पुलिस वाला गुंडा टाइप, व्हाटएवर यू वांट से, उस टाइप का एक लुक है। लेकिन लुक्स जो है वो तो सिर्फ इनिशियली आपको एक फील देने के लिए होता है, उसके आगे तो कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट है, कहानी का मूवमेंट है, कैरेक्टर का टॉप लेयर होता है, लेकिन फिर सब टेक्स्ट होता है, थर्ड लेयर होता है, तो इसके अंदर काफी कुछ है। ये फिल्म की कहानी और इस बंदे का हेड स्पेस, ये दोनों कनेक्टेड हैं। ऐसे बहुत कम फिल्में होती हैं, जैसे डेविड फिंचर, शी सेड, आई थिंक रोशन आल्सो रियली एंजॉयज डेविड फिंचर्स वर्क। तो एक चीज होती है कि जब आप एक फिल्म बनाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर ओरिएंटेड होती है, जिसमें परफॉर्मेंसेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, और वो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर एंड द इनसाइड वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कैरेक्टर, वो दोनों चीजें कनेक्टेड होती हैं, तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि देवा, शायद हैदर में भी कुछ हद तक ये चीज थी, उसका जो मूड था, और उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स थे। इसके अंदर आई थिंक देवा का जो इनर हेड स्पेस है और जो वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग रोशन ने की है, वो हमेशा कनेक्टेड है। तो हमारी फिल्म में जो मौसम होगा या जिस तरीके की लाइटिंग होगी, जो अमित यहाँ पर हैं, जो हमारे साथ हैं, अमित रॉय, बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर अमित, एंटायर टीम इज हियर। तो वो चीजें बड़ी इंटरकनेक्टेड हैं अगर आप फिल्म को थोड़ा सा गहराई से देखेंगे, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में सेकंड और थर्ड लेयर है। आजकल कई सारी ऐसी फिल्में आती हैं जो बड़ी नॉइजी होती हैं और प्रोमो में बड़ी आवाज हो जाती है, बट आप 2.5 घंटा जब बैठते हो तो ऐसा लगता है कि उतना ही मिला जो प्रोमो में देखा। कुछ फिल्में ऐसी होती हैं जिसके अंदर आपको फिल्म देखने के बाद ही आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। तो मैं ये लिबर्टी लूंगा ये कहने की कि मैंने अपने करियर में जितनी भी फिल्में की हैं, ये डेफिनेटली उस कैटेगरी में आती है कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, एक तो इस फिल्म का क्लाइमैक्स जो है, दैट्स द रीजन आई डिड दिस फिल्म। मैं ज्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूंगा, बट इट्स गोना बी वेरी सरप्राइजिंग। बट ये उस कैटेगरी में आती है फिल्म जिसके बारे में आप देखने के बाद भी बात कर सकते हैं, शायद सेकंड टाइम भी देखने का मन करेगा उसको पूरी तरह समझने के लिए। पर साइमल्टेनियसली बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है, कहीं पे भी पेस स्लो नहीं होती है, और बहुत बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स वर्ल्ड है फिल्म की और कैरेक्टर की हेड स्पेस की। तो फॉर मी दैट इज व्हाट देवा इज। इट इज द हेड स्पेस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इन द वर्ल्ड दैट हैज बीन बिल्ट अराउंड बाय रोशन, एंड द थ्रिलर एस्पेक्ट व्हिच कॉन्स्टेंटली कीप्स यू वंडरिंग कि हो क्या रहा है। दैट्स व्हाट।
Thank you so much. Narendra sir, your question.
हेलो सर, पहली बात तो ये पंजाबी और बनिया, ये जो कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाता है ना सर, कमाल का कॉम्बिनेशन हो जाता है। एंड आई एम डैम श्योर कि आप दोनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है कपूर्स एंड बंसल्स का, वो धूम मचाने वाला है। सो हर एक पंजाबी को एक बनिया चाहिए होता है जो बिजनेस संभाल सके भाई। तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत तगड़ा मुझे दिख रहा है। अभी हमने टीजर देखा है, ट्रेलर भी देख लिया है और धूम मचाने वाला है। आई एम डैम श्योर। सो सर, उमेश सर, ये आपसे सवाल है कि कैसा है रिश्ता आपका पंजाबियों के साथ? मतलब पूरा जो कॉन्फिडेंस आपको दिख रहा है, सबको दिख रहा है, आपके हिसाब से आप कब जुड़े इनके साथ में इस प्रोजेक्ट के?
कितने लोग देख सकते हैं, तो आप एज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन कभी कभी लिमिटेड हो जाओगे। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप या तो 100 मीटर की रेस भाग सकते हो, उसमें सिर्फ वही बनाओ भी जो चल रहा है, बनाओ। अगर आपको लंबी रेस भागनी है तो आपको अपने आप को इवॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, आपको अलग अलग चीजें करने की आदत डालनी पड़ेगी। जैसे आप देखते हो ना, क्रिकेट में बड़े सारे नए प्लेयर्स आते हैं, आईपीएल में बहुत सारा अच्छा खेलते हैं, फिर इंटरनेशनल टूर पे जाते हैं तो नहीं चलते, क्योंकि उन्होंने एक ही चीज के लिए प्रैक्टिस की है। फिर वो 2 साल स्ट्रगल करते हैं, फिर वो टेस्ट मैच खेलना सीखते हैं, फिर वो 50 ओवर्स खेलना सीखते हैं, फिर वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, साउथ अफ्रीका में खेलना सीखते हैं। तो वो लॉन्ग जर्नी होती है फिल्म की, है ना। तो अगर आपको एज एन आर्टिस्ट ग्रो करना है कि आप 30, 35, 40 साल काम कर सकें, तो आपको अलग अलग तरह की चीजें करनी पड़ेंगी। उसमें हिट्स भी होंगी, फ्लॉप्स भी होंगी, लेकिन आपकी जर्नी ग्रो करेगी। You know, but of course, every film we do, we wanted to do extremely well, and we do our best to do that. And Devato, from the beginning, we are saying is a film for the audience, for the masses. We made it to entertain you, but it's an intelligent film. हमारे डायरेक्टर मलयालम है।
फिल्म अच्छी है, बुरी है, बॉक्स ऑफिस से किस हद तक जज करना सही है?
यार तू ही बता दे, हम तो यहाँ पे सबको खुश करने आए हैं बेटा, उसके आगे अब you know, we try our best to make everybody happy. Yeah, the film should be for the audience.
Thank you so much, Rahul.
शाहिद, मेरा सवाल आपसे है। शाहिद शेख फ्रॉम INS यहाँ पे। शाहिद जैसे आप फिल्म में देख रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस जो है काफी जो है, मतलब कि फिल्म में आप दिखा रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस काफी काम कर रही है, तो यहाँ पे भी हम देख रहे हैं कि मुंबई पुलिस जो है इतना काम कर नहीं रही है। और रिसेंटली जो है सैफ अली खान पे अटैक जो हुआ है उसके ऊपर एक रिएक्शन देखना है।
Polls are ready, polls. Okay, Amar, I believe you were asking some questions.
Please, sir, my question is for you.
For Siddharth, sir, I believe.
Your voice has gone out of shot.
Hello, sir. Firstly, congratulations to the entire team. The trailer looks amazing. So my question to you is that we've seen Heather and we've seen Kamini, and both of you are coming out, you and Shahid are working together for a very long time. So how was the experience?
I think the experience working with Shahid is always quite incredible because of the extent to which he gets involved in every project. I mean, the fact is that he gives his life to it. And from Heather to Kamini, I think this is the 6th film that we're working on together. But the intensity hasn't dimmed at all, which I think is incredible across more than a 20-year career. So the fact that he's able to keep that level of intensity and involvement and passion for what he does, I think inspires everyone around him as well. And I think in Roshan, he met his match in terms of the level of intensity. So when he says it was a hard on-set experience, I think he really meant it. But he meant it, I think, finally in the best way possible, which is that hard experience sometimes leads to great results.
सामने